5 seconds. Start. The term inverted comma begin disability inverted comma close comma as so used comma ordinarily means loss or impairment of earning power and has been held not to mean loss of a member of the body. Stop. If the physical efficiency because of the injury has substantially impaired or if he is unable to perform the same work with the same ease as before he was injured or is unable to do heavy work which he was able to do previous to his injury, comma, he will be entitled to suitable compensation. Stop. Disability benefits are ordinarily graded on the basis of the character of the disability as partial or total, comma, and as temporary or permanent. Stop. No definite rule can be established as to what constitutes partial incapacity in cases not covered by a schedule or fixed liabilities, comma, since facts will differ in practically every case. Stop. Double inverted comma close. Next para. In light of the principles laid down in the aforementioned cases, comma, it is suffice to say that in determining the quantum of compensation payable to the victims of accident, comma, who are disabled either permanently or temporarily, comma, efforts should always be made to award adequate compensation not only for the physical injury and treatment, comma, but also for the loss of earning and inability to lead a normal life and enjoy amenities, comma, which would have been enjoyed but for the disability caused due to the accident. Stop. The amount awarded under the head of loss of earning capacity are distinct and do not overlap with the amount awarded for pain, comma, suffering and loss of enjoyment of life or the amount awarded for medical expenses. Stop. Next para. Dr. Rajesh Gangwani, comma, who was examined before the tribunal, deposed that the appellant is kept alive by feeding through a pipe and nursing care is required for daily routine work also. Stop. He stated that she had suffered 75% permanent disability and there seems to be no probability of recovery as she has lost her capacity for hearing, comma, understanding, comma, speaking and establishing interaction. Stop. However, comma, he also stated that since appellant is still under treatment, comma, final conclusion about permanent disability cannot be established. Stop. Dr. Sunil Athwale, comma, deposed that appellant was gaining consciousness slowly, but the status of sense was at the lowest level and no improvement has come in the last second and half years. Stop. He stated that probability of further improvement is negligible and food and liquid are given through pipes. Stop. He stated that disability should be treated as 100% but he had not shown 90% as permanent disability in the certificate as while treatment continues, comma, hope of improvement always prevails. Stop. On the basis of the same, comma, the tribunal held that the appellant has suffered permanent disability. However, the presumption cannot be drawn that she suffered 75% permanent disability because she is still undergoing treatment and the doctor himself had deposed that final conclusion regarding permanent disability cannot be established till the time treatment continues. Stop. The High Court did not record any finding on this issue but increased the amount awarded towards permanent disability and future loss of earning. Stop. Since the discharge certificate was issued on 26/6/2004, the claimant had made little progress up till the time the disability certificate was issued on 23/8/2006 and even till date she continues to be in a vegetative state and requires an attendant at all times and continued physiotherapy, we are not inclined to approve the approach of the tribunal and high court granting a lump sum compensation because both failed to take into consideration the loss of income during the period of treatment when the appellant was totally incapacitated. Stop. Even if the income of the appellant is taken to be rupees 2000, the loss of income during the period of treatment, which continued till the judgment of the High Court, that is from 2/5/2004 to 18/5/2010, would be rupees 1,47,000 approximately. Stop. Next para. As per the disability certificate issued on 23/8/2006, the appellant had virtually become vegetable and therefore she is not in a position to look after herself. What to say of discharging her functions as partner of Tirupati Enterprises. Stop. Therefore, by applying the multiplier of 17, the future loss of earning would come to rupees 367,200. Stop. In light of the decision in Rajkumar versus Ajay Kumar Supra, the tribunal and high. Stop.